Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my updated 2026 braidless crochet method that's perfect if you're looking for a protective style with no traditional braids. I love how this turned out. I absolutely love this hair. I love the color. I love the quality. And these are 4 bundles from Luvme Hair. I want to give a huge shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. When you get your package, you are going to get 4 bundles in the mail, and they are going to be attached to these rings. I love how that setup is because it really just makes it really convenient so that the loops don't get detangled, because you know the loops are very individual, they're very small. So I love how it's packaged so the loops do not get detangled. They did offer a crochet hook and of course clips in the box. I always appreciate the clips, and these are the actual strings that are attached to the hair. Because I'm not braiding my hair, I did already prep my hair before this, and as you can tell, I put the boxes in the front. I only did 2 rows because I kind of have a small head, and the back is in a ponytail. And to be honest, that is really it. That is really the foundation that you need to make this completely braidless. People have been doing this for years, so I'm not saying I'm an innovator or anything like that, but this has been something that's been around for so many years. And I love this technique, especially if you're someone that doesn't know how to braid. I think this is a really simple technique. The first 2 bundles took up the back part of my head, like where the ponytail was. I did also crochet around the ponytail to make sure it's covered in the back. But as you can see, we are 2 bundles down, and that's pretty much covered the whole back of my head. We haven't gotten to the front yet. I absolutely love the color of this hair. I love Me's color. I don't know what they do in their factory, but they color their hair really well. So I find that it's a lot easier to drag the hook through the hair first and then pull the hair through that way. Sometimes if you try to hook the hair in and drag it the other way, it can be complicated. And then of course, now that I'm getting to the front, I find it a lot easier to do the front, of course, because I can see better. And then of course with the boxes and the squares, it makes it a lot easier. And just look at how full this hair is. Like, I'm actually in shock, and we at this point is going into the 4th bundle. So at this point we have 3 bundles in my head. And I do recommend, you know, if you are going to purchase this hair, you will need 4 bundles for a full head. And I'm someone with like a smaller type of head, so 4 bundles, if not more, will be necessary for you to make sure you have a whole full head of hair. But as you guys can see, like I said, I'm just dragging this hook through the hair and pulling the hair through and tying a knot. It is really just that simple, you guys. It really is. At this point, I was pretty much done. I am going to spray some water on the hair. I actually like the hair in its natural state, but I did decide to wet it just a little bit. And then I'm just going back to, you know, check on a little bit of stragglers. There may be a few pieces here and there that need to be retightened. But really, that is it, you guys. That is it. We always talk about these crochet loops and just how convenient they are. So, of course, I do want to give a huge shout out to Love Me for sponsoring another video. Do not forget, all the information will be linked down below for this particular hair. I absolutely love this hair, you guys. I think it's great for the summer, the fall. I love just how full and natural. I love the color. I just love how everything turned out. Let me know your thoughts down below. Will you be trying this tutorial? Have you tried it before? Let me know your thoughts down below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching another video. And until next time, I will see you later.